Hi, I'm Maddie, a former teacher and a Class Dojo team member. Today we are going to explore the ToolKit, one place with all of the classroom tools you love. This tool is designed to keep your class organized and engaged. Let's start exploring. We will begin on your classroom home page. Once there, you're going to travel to the bottom of your screen and you will see a tab that says ToolKit. As you can see, there are a variety of tools to manage your classroom effortlessly. Let's start with a few of my favorites. The randomizer allows you to quickly pick a student from your class. Pro tip, use the attendance feature to mark any student as absent and they won't be chosen. Next up is the group maker. Whether you are putting your students into groups for centers, an experiment, or more, this is your tool. Start by selecting how many students you want in a group. If you don't want students grouped together, you also can use that feature. And just like that, you have your groups ready to go. The options don't end there. With Class Dojo's ToolKit, you can use a variety of ways to enhance your teaching experience. Looking to make a group of random students, display directions, and more, the ToolKit is your place. Happy exploring!